comprehension. Complete these sentences with words from the story. Mother buys Jyoti some. Mother bought some cotton candy to Jyoti. So spelling for cotton candy, C-O-T, cot, T-O-N, ton, cotton, C-A-N, can, D-Y, candy, cotton candy. One monkey is eating a, what does it have and what was it doing? Monkey is eating a banana. Yes, one monkey is eating a banana. Okay, only one monkey has the banana, other doesn't have. And the third one is the long nose of an elephant is called a, here we saw that long nose is a trunk. Okay, the long nose of an elephant is called a trunk. The giraffe eats, what does the giraffe eat from our story? Okay, the giraffe ate leaves from the tree top. That's the giraffe eats leaves from the tree top. Which animal roars loudly in the zoo? Okay, lion. Lion roars loudly in the zoo. Answer these questions in one sentence. Where are Jyoti, mother and father going? Jyoti, mother and father are going to the zoo. Yes, they are just going to the zoo. And the second one, what does the ticket collector gives Jyoti? Ticket collector gives Jyoti a cap. He gave a cap, right? Yes, he gave a red color cap. What does Jyoti see when she looks up? What did she see? Jyoti, when she looked up, she saw monkeys swinging from the tree. And one monkey is eating a banana. And the fourth one, how does an elephant use its trunk? An elephant uses its trunk, okay, only one trunk is there, uses its trunk to hold things, okay, or else we can also tell that he holds things with his trunk. And why is the baby hippo in the mud? Fifth one, why is the baby hippo in the mud? Okay, baby hippo likes to stay, okay, likes to play in the mud, so it's inside the mud. Which is Jyoti's favorite animal at the zoo? Which is the Jyoti's favorite animal? So from here we can understand that Jyoti loves life. So Jyoti's favorite animal at the zoo is lion. Okay, lion. Then we move to the page number 12, grammar part. Look at these pictures and words. Here is only one giraffe and there are many giraffes. There is only one monkey and there are many monkeys. When we want to say there is more than one of something, we add s to the word. Okay, it's just like a singular plural. Monkey, monkeys, giraffe, giraffes, car, cars, kite, kites. So the exercise part, if it is only one friend, we will call it as friend. If there are more than one friend, then we should call them as friends. Pen, pens, room, rooms, book, books, star, stars, desk, desk. Okay, S we are adding here. And the B, look at the pictures, write the number and the correct word from the box to complete these sentences. Frog, car, apple, monkey they have given. First one is done for us. There are two frogs on the log. Yes, there are two frogs. Frog, frogs. And apple, apples. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 apples in the basket. 1, 2. Car, cars. There are two cars on the road. One, two, three. Monkey, monkeys. There are three monkeys on the tree. Now vocabulary. Look at the pictures, write the names of these places. This is our garden, and this place looks like a market. So this is a market. M-A-R, Mar, K-E-T, ket, market. This is here is a train, so it can be a railway station. This is a railway station. R-A-I-L, rail, W-A-Y, way, railway. S-T-E-A, stay, T-I-O-N, station, railway station. This is my bedroom. Okay, here's a bed, canvas board, and a mat. It looks like a bedroom. So this is my bedroom. B-E-D, bed, R-O-O-M, room, bedroom. There are many cows, goats, and ducks in the. So usually we'll have cows, animals in the farm, animal farm area. So it's a farm, F-A-R-M, farm. Spelling. Use A, E, I, O or U and complete these words. I, E, I, O, U or vowels. Okay. First one is done for us. S, O, U, N, D sound. Second one is T, I, G, E or tiger. E is missing there. Teapot. T-E-A-T-P-O-T, pot. Teapot. R-A-B, rab. B-I-T, bit, rabbit. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Okay, mother. These we have to listen to the audio and we have to complete it. And this part, a baby elephant, a baby hippo, a baby giraffe. Plays in the mud, eats leaves from the top of trees, holds things with its trunk. Okay, what we have to do? Match and write the complete sentences in the blanks. A baby elephant holds things with his trunk. A baby hippo plays in the mud. A baby giraffe eats leaves from the top of trees. So we have to write the statements here. So that's all about this second unit. So I'll recall once again. Going to the zoo is the topic. Rain tree, class 1. Jyoti's mother, Jyoti's father, they are going to the zoo, and the ticket collector gave cap to Jyoti and she thanks him. Mother bought a cotton candy. Jyoti's father saw that the monkeys were swinging and Jyoti saw that monkey is eating banana. And a baby elephant has long nose called trunk to hold things. And the giraffe eats leaves from the tree top. Okay, and she wants to become like a tall like a giraffe. Jyoti is telling. And the hippo, it's a biggest baby in the zoo. And what is she's doing in the mud? Jyoti raised the question, and Jyoti's mother is telling that hippos like to play in the mud. And here the final part is a baby lion is called a cub and it can roar too. Jyoti loves lion and she runs to see the lion family. And the last time to go home, Jyoti says goodbye to the animals and she walks out from the zoo. That's all about the story. Meet you at the next class. Bye.